In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a View in Browser link in Brevo. This is a handy feature that can enhance your email campaigns by giving your recipients the option to view your email content directly in their browser, thus providing a better user experience. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's dive right into it. First, open a new tab in your browser and search for Brevo. If you're not familiar with Brevo, it's worth noting that this platform is popular for creating and managing effective email campaigns. You should see Brevo in the search results, so go ahead and click on the first link to head straight to their website. Now that you're on the Brevo homepage, it's time to log in. Enter your credentials in the login fields provided. If you're like many people, you probably have your credentials saved, which can save you a bit of time here. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard. Next, you'll navigate to the Marketing section. You can find this in the main menu. Under the Marketing tab, look for the Campaigns option and click on it. You're now in the area where you can see all your current and past email campaigns, which is quite useful for tracking the progress of each campaign. Scan through your list of campaigns to find the one you'd like to edit. Select it by clicking on the campaign's name. This will bring up the details of your chosen campaign and allow you to make any necessary changes or updates. Now, with your campaign selected, it's time to add the View in Browser link. Under the Additional Settings section, you should see an option labeled Enable View in Browser link. There will be a checkbox next to this option. Simply click on the checkbox to enable this feature. This is what activates the link, making it visible to your email recipients so they can view your email in a browser if they prefer. Finally, it's crucial not to forget this step. Click Save. It's one of the most important clicks you'll make, as this will ensure that all the changes you've made are stored and applied to your campaign. Without clicking Save, your efforts in adding that View in Browser link will be in vain, as the update won't be registered. So, there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully added a View in Browser link to your email campaign in Brevo. This small addition can make a world of difference to your recipients, providing them with greater flexibility and access to your content. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your email marketing strategy.